Hello everybody and welcome to Create Clever Kids. Today we're going to take a look at an awesome little discovery I made at IKEA. It is a wooden submarine playset, and it's really reminiscent of early toy playsets from the 1980s in the sense that there's many rooms and compartments. A lot more superior than many of the toy playsets that are on the market today. For example, I recently just bought the Octopod for the Octonauts, and it's just like an empty shell, it looks like. Now, obviously, things are just drawn on here, but that just lets you use your imagination. Now, the material of this is obviously some sort of particle board, but it's pretty strong and sturdy wood. Not too many sharp pieces here, so if a child was to hit their head on such toy, it wouldn't be too bad. Nothing sharp, everything's round here. And let's of course take a look at the little rooms inside this playset. Now, the first room we have here is a gym or an exercise room where you can take a little character. For example, here's a Weeble Wobble of one of the Baby Shark characters. I think that's Mommy Shark. And you can pretend they're playing basketball, climbing the ladder, lifting weights, and so on. You can even put like a little bit of furniture in here and do all sorts of little scenarios with them. Really cute little room. The next room is the sleeping room, the bunk bed, and we can see there's 5 bunks. There's a window. There is a picture. There is a window showing the moon. I guess it's nighttime. We can see a little dresser over here with a picture and a plant. And over here we have a closet door with a plant and another little dresser. And we're gonna have another character come in. This will be one of the Tinder Tots. Okay, and over here we have our washroom or bathroom. We have a bathtub, we have a first aid kit, sink, toilet, medicine cabinet, and mirror. Also, I should notice here each of the bed has a cute little glass of water right next to it, and an alarm clock. And of course, we see here the submarine has a little window right over there. Okay, let's go downstairs, and we're in the second layer of the washroom, and we can see some characters have been playing tic-tac-toe on the wall. There's a little it looks like this is where actually the water is filtrated. So we see there's H2O here and a little recycling center. So this is probably where they get fresh water to drink on the submarine. Over here, this is a little bit hard to see, but it looks like here is a little bit of a study, a place where people can just read, relax, have a cup of tea. Down here is an extension of the study, maybe a library with library books, little couch, and the ladder. If we climb the ladder, where do we go? Oh, we're back at the gym. All right, now let's look at the other side of the submarine here. And oh my goodness, this is the captain's room, because we can see the captain's chair and the periscope. And of course, the captain of this ship is going to be Captain Chicken. And he's going to look in his periscope and dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. What does he see in the ocean? Oh my goodness, it's a baby Anomalocarsis. Watch out! Dive! 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 Okay, so the details in this room, we can see the periscope. We can see a picture of a bird. We can see a little sonar station over here. Some pipes. Over here is the, it looks like maybe the engine room? Yeah, that looks like electrical power here, and some tools. Down here we have the lard. This is where they keep all the dry food. We can see here some cheeses, wines. Oh no, we see a naughty little mouse eating some of the food in there. Here we see the kitchen. And over here is the diving room where everyone gets ready to prepare to go diving. We need to put on our scuba gear. And I think some really great characters for this playset would be Octonaut characters. Oh my gosh, the Octonauts did come! They were a great choice for this playset. Wow, chickens aren't the greatest characters. Octonauts are even better. So let's see, they're going to put their diving clothes on, and Peso's going to come in a minute. And now here they are in their diving equipment. They're ready to go in the ocean to see the Anamala Karsis. And of course the captain is right here preparing the ship for the deep dive.
But I have a classy face. Daddy, why have a classy face?
Oh, because it's a big surprise. It was actually Barnacle all along. But wait, what's going on in the captain's room? Quasi's not actually diving. He's just watching TV. Oh no, don't be lazy, Quasi. The end.
Here.
I'll put on the show, yeah. Koala.
Daddy, Daddy.
Create clever kids. Learn English naturally through play. For toddlers and for students of English. Please like and subscribe for more videos and support this channel.